Hey guys, it's Michelle, and in this video we have another hotel room tour. We are having a look at the Hilton Grand Vacations Parc Soleil in Orlando, Florida. This hotel is budget friendly and it's great for families because it offers a bunch of amenities and it's close to all the major theme parks. For reference, we stayed in room 11519 on the penthouse floor, and we were quite happy with our stay and the unit, so let's dive in and have a look around. All right, so this is when you first walk into this unit. It's very spacious, very lovely. Right to your right, you have your kitchen, a full kitchen. You have an oven, microwave, glassware, everything you need to make yourself at home. Dishwasher, coffee maker, they supply you with some coffee and tea, ice bucket, toaster. You're fully equipped. I'll just show you really quickly. They give you everything you need, your glassware, your dishware. If you want to cook, you can because they fully stock you. You have a full-size fridge and freezer, a table that sits 6. You have a sitting area with a lovely view, a sectional couch. I'm not sure if it's a pull-out couch because I haven't tried it, but we do have extra bedding in the bedroom closet, so I'm thinking that it might be. You also have an entertainment stand right here, as well as a flat screen TV, and then you have another lamp behind the couch and access to the porch right here. And since you're up on the 15th floor, you really do have a great view of the surrounding area. You can see the pool area as well as downtown Orlando. I'm going to go out there in a second, but I just wanted to show you what is in the entertainment stand here. It's just empty drawers here, empty shelves rather. Yeah, nothing in there. Oh, look, one of my son's toys. But you do have a little DVD player here and your remote controls. Also, in this room, you get a fully stacked washer unit. So you have your washer and dryer. It's the Samsung brand here. So the washer's on the bottom, dryer on the top. And in this little closet, you also have a broom and dustpan. So this is the dining / living room area, and now we're gonna go into the bedroom. So you have your French doors here separating the dining rooms, living room from the bedroom. It gives you some privacy if you are traveling with a bunch of people. Just open the door and go right in. So that's what we're gonna do. So as soon as you walk in, you're gonna have your seating area right here. So you have kind of like a lounge kind of chair. You can sit there, drink some coffee and watch TV, or have a look out at the beautiful view of downtown Orlando. It also gives you access to the porch. So the chairs are out there if you want to sit out there. In addition to that, you have 2 lamps, your standard kind of modern setup of a hotel room. It is a king-size bed with really, really comfortable pillows. The mattress is very comfy. You have your nightstands, lots of chargers and USB plugs behind the wall there. And you also have your flat screen TV as well as this drawer set here. It's a really cool drawer set. Instead of like a handle, you just push on it and it pops open. And the drawers are quite deep for unpacking. And you have this little alcove here. Honestly, I'll probably put a bunch of shopping bags there. It isn't a lot of closet space. That's one thing I'll say. It's only this one closet in the whole unit. And so you do need this kind of extra space maybe for suitcases, because underneath the bed, it isn't very high off the ground. So you're probably going to need to use these little tuck away spaces for your luggage. All right. So in the closet, we have all of our luggage and things pretty messy in there. All of our bags are in there, but they also give you extra bedding if you are gonna use the pull-out couch. It's quite spacious in here too, like really, really big. Great for families, as I said. You also have a room fan, I don't know if I mentioned that, and the nightstands here. They do have this shelf, and then you have 2 drawers there. And then behind this door, have your bathroom. Beautiful bathroom, fully equipped. You have your standalone shower right here with rainfall shower head, as well as a detachable shower head there. Plenty of space. Like, I don't even know how many people could fit in there. You have Crabtree and Evelyn products. So you have shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. So if you like that brand, then it's perfect for you. They also have a double sink here, vanity. You have your body lotion here on the wall, a makeup mirror. They come fully equipped with tissues and your towels, your washcloths, all that good stuff. Obsessed with this tub, a nice deep soaking tub there. And you have the water faucet there if you want to turn it on. It's actually an overhead faucet. So that's pretty cool. They also provide you with some products. You have some mouthwash and some hand soap. This beautiful granite countertop. I love this, and it looks really bright and cheerful in the bathroom. All right, so let's go further in, and you will see that you have a closed off toilet. So this locks, giving you privacy. There's the toilet room here. Pretty much your standard run-of-the-mill toilet. And then when you open the door, you are led right back out here to the kitchen, which is where we started. I will just add a few tips about staying here at Parc Soleil. Just as a heads up, Hilton Grand Vacation Properties may try to sell you timeshare options upon check-in, but we simply just declined their offer and they respected our decision. Also, having a car is almost a necessity here, especially during the hot summer, as this property is huge. And while there are a few restaurants and shops nearby, it does require some walking. So that is the end of this room tour. I hope that you found it helpful for future planning, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.